The potential for the machine shop of the future is here now. It's a data-driven manufacturing environment that seamlessly connects your process, machines, robots, equipment, and all the other elements of your operation. It's an adaptive manufacturing system that can sense, learn, and share that knowledge with every resource in its ecosystem, including people. It's revolutionary technologies like additive manufacturing that will make impossible ideas possible, and advanced robotics that will transform both manufacturing and business, all while enabling greater efficiency, quality, and flexibility. It's a production system that knows the next move and adapts to changes on the fly. The key challenge facing today's machine shop is to use this new level of intelligence and communication from idea through production, and with access to this real-time information from anywhere, anytime, by anyone. At Siemens, we call this end-to-end interaction between the virtual and real worlds digitalization. That's how we're helping companies compete. Digitalization uses a digital twin to help you design the right product and discover the best way to make it. The digital twin is a precise virtual copy of both your real product as well as your manufacturing process and resources. We figured out the best way to seamlessly unite key elements from design through manufacturing and even actual use into a virtual model that performs like the physical equivalent. You reduce risk by ensuring every part is built on spec, on time, and on budget. You reduce bottlenecks and ensure process optimization. You take on more complex projects that would have previously been thought too risky or unprofitable. And finally, you increase flexibility with faster changes than ever before in any plant at any time. All of this to ensure you build the products your customers want, grow profits, and gain efficiency. At Siemens, we digitalize manufacturing so you can realize the machine shop of the future today. See what Siemens can do for you in our A Day at the Digital Machine Shop video.